I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Ford Ranger steering wheel. First, always prioritize safety by disconnecting the negative battery terminal. This crucial step prevents any accidental airbag deployment. After disconnecting, wait for at least 30 minutes to allow the airbag system to fully power down. Make sure your steering wheel is perfectly centered and the front wheels are straight. Finally, gather all your tools, including a steering wheel puller and various Torx bits, to ensure a smooth process. Now, let's move on to removing the airbag. You'll typically find 2 or 3 8mm bolts on the back or sides of the steering wheel that secure the airbag module. Once these are out, gently pull the airbag forward and carefully disconnect its electrical connectors. Remember to touch metal components of the vehicle to discharge any static electricity before handling the airbag. Next, use a T50 Torx bit to remove the large center nut holding the steering wheel in place. Before removal, mark the steering shaft and wheel for correct alignment. With the center nut removed, it's time to take off the steering wheel. A 2-jaw steering wheel puller is recommended for this step. Attach the puller to the designated points on the wheel and slowly turn its center bolt clockwise until the wheel loosens and comes off. Be careful not to damage the clock spring. Once the old wheel is off, carefully feed the clock spring wires through your new steering wheel. If your new wheel doesn't come with them, transfer any components like cruise control buttons from the old wheel. To install your new steering wheel, align it carefully with the marks you made on the steering shaft. Hand tighten the large center nut, then use a torque wrench to tighten it to 30 foot-pounds. Reconnect the airbag's electrical connectors and secure the airbag module with its 8mm bolts. Finally, reconnect the negative battery terminal. Before driving, turn the key to the on position and test all steering wheel functions, including the horn and any integrated controls, to ensure everything works correctly and safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.